In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free Shopify Partner account and create an online store. First, open your browser and head to the official Shopify Partner site. The quickest way is to search for Shopify Partner and click the official Shopify Partners result from Shopify. Once you're on the Partners page, look for the option to join or sign up. Click through to start creating a new partner organization. On the Sign Up screen, choose Create and set up a new partner organization. This tells Shopify you're establishing an account for professional use. Next, select the option Build New Shopify Stores for Clients. Even if you're building for yourself now, this choice unlocks the tools you'll use to create online stores from the partner dashboard. Click Next to continue. You'll be asked for your country or region. Open the drop-down and select the country that matches your legal and tax details. Accuracy matters here for payouts, taxes, and compliance. If you see an additional selector for region or code, pick the one that matches your location or time zone. When you're confident everything matches your business details, click Next. Now complete the organization details form. Click into each highlighted field to open it, then type your information. Start with your organization or business name, and add a website or portfolio URL if you have one. If you're just getting started and don't have a site yet, you can add it later, but include any professional presence you do have to help with verification. Choose the description or category that best reflects what you'll do in Shopify, such as design, development, or store setup, and select any relevant services. Move through each required field before continuing. When you reach the Contact section, click the business email address field and enter a professional email you actively monitor. Shopify will use this for verification and important updates, so avoid temporary or personal inboxes. Then type your contact details, your name and business address information, exactly as they appear on your records. If any field shows an error, correct it before proceeding. If you need to adjust a previous choice, use the back button to review your entries, such as your country or business focus, then return to the form and continue. Taking a moment to double-check now helps prevent verification delays later. Once you've completed the required fields and followed the prompts on screen, your partner organization will be set up. From your new partner dashboard, you'll be ready to create development stores and start building your online store with Shopify's free partner tools.